Proteodies are sequences of sound that correspond to the vibrational patterns involved in protein synthesis. This idea was introduced by physicist Joel Sternheimer, who discovered that each amino acid in a protein chain produces a specific frequency as it forms. At Genodics, we use these carefully calculated sound sequences to support living organisms, stimulating natural processes in plants and animals without chemicals or genetic intervention. The method is grounded in fundamental physics and supported by both laboratory studies and real-world field results. Farmers working with Genodics have reported healthier crops and improved resilience, all through sound. While the scientific community is still exploring the full implications of this approach, our goal is clear: to offer a new way of working with nature, respectfully, intelligently, and in harmony with life's own rhythms.